Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're bringing this back just for a bit. Alright, here we go. So I know I said on the last video I did of this that it was finished, but I was looking into it and there was a few spots that were low and stuff. So someone suggested CA glue, because this had like furry spots here, and I think it's just the way the koa wood is. But last night I put some CA glue, which is basically super glue, and it sealed it up. There was even a low spot right here from the wood, and I took some of this, which I took a piece of koa wood on the grinder and made some dust from it. I put the CA glue on it and just push it in there and you can't even tell. It looks like it was there the whole time. So amazing. We used to do that with wood glue when we were working on trim, but man. So, and I got the bevels fixed up. So now all I gotta do is hand sand it, hand sand the flats and get this hand sanded. Because you can see there's spots where the glue is a little bit too thick. Now, I bought the accelerator too, but from what I was reading, it's not good to use the accelerator because that can actually get it too hot and make it boil and bad things. If you do use CA glue, you have to wear a respirator because, man, the minute you open it up, you just hit with fumes. Alright, time-lapse time. Here we go. So actually I think the more I grind this, the more I've taken off. There's like one spot here that maybe have it. I don't think I like that CA glue, so I'm just going to go back to the linseed oil. So I'm just going to get it all smoothed out. Like you can see the dark spots. It does help to cover, and you know, once it's soaked in, it seems to help with those spots that were all fuzzy. So I don't see any fuzziness anymore, so it did bring those down. But I'm not going to put on another coat. I'm just going to keep sanding it. So it helped to bring it all smooth in and all that, but yeah. Alright, back to the time lapse. Whew. So that's 600 grit. I think I'm just going to try the linseed oil on it. It'll boil linseed oil. Give it a good coat of that. See what it looks like. I basically took off all the CA glue. I got all this up to 600, so. Oh. Woo. Yeah. All right. Whew, There's a lot of little spots here I missed. Looks like I gotta go back over them. I do like this 320 flex. I mean the 3M flex. I actually made this sanding block. It's got Duro. If you watch my live stream, it's got Duro 70, the same thing they put on like contact wheels. And just put it on a piece of metal. See if we got any other imperfections, and then I'll put a little bit more on, and see that fuzzy stuff still kind of there. So maybe after I do this linseed oil, maybe I'll put another, maybe I actually put some poly on it. I don't really like poly, but maybe I'll get like a flat coat of poly and put on it. You can see right there, there's the CA, because it's really popping out. And now we just gotta find all these little shiny spots and make sure we take care of them. Maybe I'll get some Dutch oil, because I think that's like a poly and a true oil stuff, you know, mixed together. Whew. But check it out. If you haven't seen this yet, I don't think I even really showed it on the live stream. I still got to hand sand the flats, but I got them all nice and even. So I got to hand sand them. And then this side's always been real nice, so. Yeah, that's where we're at. Nice clean grind lines. I just had to hand sand this to get it nice and straight. And then we're done. Woo! Haha. So that's about it. I think we're done with this. Went back and finished the hand sanding and all that. I still got a few touch-ups here and there, and I still got to hand sand the blade. But I just wanted to show you, because if you've been watching my live streams and all that, I'll put the last one up here, but just be careful, because it was a new system I was trying out and the audio kind of spikes and goes crazy. I've already got it fixed for the next one. Here comes the shameless plug. My shirts, my knives, all my links are down below. Affiliate links, if you see any of the tools or cameras or stuff that I make my videos with, use the Amazon links to help support this channel. Alright, I really appreciate it. We're almost to 800 subs now. Man, you guys are crushing it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. That's it. And as always, take it easy.